Okay guys, here we are. Look, we got some goodies in. I got a 12,000 pound Badlands winch, Harbor Freight. Actually got this as a Christmas gift, and finally I'm going to get this thing set up on our car trailer. Always wanted one to put on the car trailer, never had the time to do it. Didn't know what I wanted to do, so what I ended up doing is asking for one of these for Christmas, and I got a 12,000 pound Badlands. Probably more than we need for a trailer, but I've also used it for recovery of other people's vehicles in the past. So this would be great for helping people get out of stuck holes in the mud. And so also I bought this this cradle. As you can see here, it's for a 2-inch receiver cradle. Got the handles on it, and got this off of Amazon. It's pretty cheap. Again, didn't need nothing crazy, but with that I'm going to be able to remove it off the trailer because I don't want to leave it outside, and I'm not going to enclose it. And two, I could also put this on the back of any of our trucks if we happen to need one to pull somebody out, or possibly just doing something around the yard. But this is a nice setup. I got an extra Fairley right here, and I'll talk to you about what I'm going to do with it on the trailer to kind of help guide the cable when we do have to use it on the trailer. But nice little setup, didn't spend too much. I got some cables here from I think this is from US Battery Cable is where I got these from. So I've gotten things there before. The guy's real fast, and it's good quality stuff. As you can see, it's already got the ends on it, and I got a quick disconnect here that I'm going to use. Here's the other end of the quick disconnect. Put that one on the winch, and then have this one hooked up to the battery on the trailer, which I do have a box, and you'll see on the trailer I got a nice aluminum box on the front of the trailer for storage of stuff and things when we go on trips. But I'll put the battery in there. But yeah, should be good. Let's get started. I'll show you how I'm going to mount this thing up.
Well, got the truck in the garage and the trailer. It is fully welded up. Not to the trailer, but the mechanism itself. The bracket is all welded up. So I'm just gonna throw some tacks on there, and then we're gonna throw on the winch to make sure it all works okay. But looks pretty good. Looks all factory looking.
That's a fit.
Well, there she is. So we got a housing tacked up. Put the winch on there. Man, it looks pretty good. So here we go, guys. That painted up the housing for the winch. So we got the winch on there, pinned, everything hooked up. So I don't think we showed you guys, but you know, we have the tool chest on the trailer, and then we mounted the battery to the chest. So it's fully secured down there, can't go nowhere. We have it all hooked up for the toggle switch. And then, of course, the power's to the winch, so it's all ready to go. We have it secured down there. So we're gonna test it out on my truck. So it's not the heaviest, of course, but if it can do this truck, I'm sure it can do anything we have. You know, if we have to winch up anything on the trailer. So it's just a cool little tool, an option to have for the trailer, just in case. You never know what could happen. We've, you know, dealt with many vehicles breaking down before. We had to push them up.
Yeah, your car.
So it'll be a pretty cool thing to have, especially bringing the Mustang to the track. You know, we won't have to drive it up on the trailer because we have an issue with the height of my Mustang. It's a little low for this trailer, so we have to like put a bunch of pieces of wood and kind of stack it up to make it a better incline for the Mustang to get on, but it's still super tight. Usually gets hung up on this right here. So we're gonna try it on the truck, see how it goes, and I think it's gonna work super cool. So if you guys are looking to do anything like this, we're gonna see if it works out. Hold right there.
That's not good.
So you can see the winch is hitting on the chest frame. So either we'll have to, I think they make what, rollers for that?
Yep, I have a roller. I didn't think I needed it, but I have a Fairley roller, the system. I didn't put on there, but we'll end up putting that on. And we'll always carry, the hook will be here, so we'll have a roller top and bottom and side to side. Yeah. Yep.
But other than that, I mean, it's on the trailer, so once we get that, push the that down, so it's not rubbing, I think we'll be good. So guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the little DIY build stuff. So it's a pretty cool addition to the trailer. Definitely helpful with you know, the Mustang stuff when we're at the drag strip, just in case. Never know what could happen. Plus it makes life easier. Just put the winch on the front end and lift it up. No manual labor or, you know, trying to make sure nothing hits the trailer on the bottom of the car. So pretty cool build. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys go down in the comments. Let us know if you would change anything with the design. But other than that, hope you guys subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and we'll see you guys in the next one.